he said we should probably get it like snaked once a year, but we haven't had a problem for 2 or 3.
Wow.
I feel like it's very similar to what happened last time.
And did they have a backup upstairs as well?
No,
time?
just down here.
Just
but
down
but
here.
we got it so quick because it actually like flooded. This time it didn't.
Seriously, yeah. Wow. So it could be the main as well. So I assume the sewer line goes out to the back.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
had the city in here yesterday,
Oh, did you?
and
Okay.
they were looking for like the stack.
Yeah.
And they opened up a storm drain down here and
To get to the sewer line. To stay,
yeah,
yeah.
I guess
Yeah.
is there
Yeah.
the toilet drain is different than the sink drain going out?
Oh, they'd be the same. But that
Are they?
perimeter, that storm sump out there, that would connect to the sewer line. If this neighborhood
Yeah,
doesn't
it
have a
does.
storm, if this
Yeah.
neighborhood doesn't have a storm utility, like a storm main in the alleyway,
Yeah.
um,
Then it all goes out.
it
there,
all
like,
combines
20
to the
feet.
sewer. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly. To
So
the alleyway or whatever. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
They routed out or whatever. They snaked from like right out here to there.
Okay.
But then it's still backed up.
Inside here.
Yeah, one more time. We upstairs and downstairs we haven't used our sink.
Haven't
We've been
used it.
flushing, but
Yeah.
that's about the only water we've been using.
And did they give you a camera diagnosis afterwards or nothing on the? On the
I
thing
watched
on-
them.
Oh, you watched
so
them?
through there, they
Yeah.
cleaned it out,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it didn't look terrible. But they did say that it could be done, so they did it.
Okay. Okay.
But they also mentioned they said that they led me to believe that like the toilets, and I'm not sure what other sort of things connect to this one.
Yeah.
They said the sink one runs about 2 inches below, and it's a separate pipe. So I was like, all right, I
Could be
don't
some
get it.
mischief. Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
Anyways, I don't know. If we just deal with it like it's a clog, then that's
Hopefully, yeah. Let's hope it's in the immediate area then. If they snaked all that on the outside, let's just take it at face value and say that it's okay for now.
yeah.
And let's maybe just focus on the interior here for a bit.
Sure.
Pop open that clean out cap here and snake from here.
Sounds good.
That's the first line of
Offense.
exactly the first line of offense. And then if we can get lucky and clear it, maybe put a camera in the sewer line again and run the sink, and then if we can see water inside the sewer line on the camera outside from the sump outside, then we can maybe establish that if they're connected or not, or determine if there's a second pipe. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a Mickey Mouse pipe
Going
out, with the, I don't know, is this legal speak?
1923. Oh no, probably not.
No. Okay, well there you go.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
We're registered at the same address, so
Okay,
my
yeah.
mail goes upstairs. So
Okay.
I'm assuming, but we've
Yeah.
both been here for 12 years.
Okay, so
So-
you know the lay of the land.
Yeah,
Good stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's all I need to know then. I have my access there, okay.
All right. My wife works for Mondelez, which distributes mini eggs and Maynard's candy and shit.
Oh, yeah.
So take a bunch of that with you. I know
I will
you'll
definitely
probably
take
be
you up on
longer
that.
than 10 though, right?
10?
You'll
Yeah.
still be here?
Yeah, should be.
Okay.
Yeah, should be.
I'll be fast.
Thanks, Mike.
All right,
Thanks,
buddy.
man.
Talk to you in 2 secs.
That might have been it. That might have been it. Okay, I'm gonna pull the snake out and fill the sink up. Oh, that's muck. Ah, muck. Okay. Okay, I'll fill this up. For leaks. Do we even have a plug? We should. Yeah, that's not the right plug. Should have a plug in my bag. Cleaned up and organised.